Hey, I'm Dr. Green with Active Recovery. We want to talk about the knocking engine, meaning that if you've ever had a car and you had an engine knocking and you just drove it around, how often does that turn out to be okay? At the end of the day, something bad's going to happen and we all know it. But how many times do we treat our bodies that way? When we have an issue in our calf, right? Maybe we're a runner and we have that calf that's sort of nagging at us, or a shoulder thing that when we reach, we sort of feel some discomfort, but we can deal with it. Well, consider that the knocking engine, right? If that engine's knocking, at some point, something bad's gonna happen. And same thing with your calf, same thing with your shoulder, same thing with your back. So anytime you find yourself in a loop of a nagging discomfort, know that you need to do something about it sooner than later because it's gonna catch up with you. And something that we find in clinic, the sooner you deal with it, the sooner you're out of here and the sooner that you're back to the things that you love. So next time you're dealing with an injury, start thinking about that knocking engine and realize that the sooner you address it, the sooner you get back to the things that you love.